Got some weird kind of chicken or game hens or something up here. Got a bunch of babies too, it looks like, over there. I'm gonna sneak up on them here. See what they do. They're a little nervous. They're still curious if I got some food for them or not. Huh. I don't know. They're not pheasant. I'll have to look them up. If you know, please put it in the comment section down below. Chicken peeping? Is that what this is? Got a nice little house there to nest in and all that. Pretty cool. Yeah, they think I got some food for them. Listen to how quiet they are. That's really cool right there. That one there almost looks like a chicken. It's got the red around his, or a rooster or something. Must be a male. I think if they're chickens, they'd be yelling at me for sure. Once again, if you like the content, please subscribe, like, share, the whole 9 yards. All right, folks, have a good one.